Yes, ma'am. Can I get a small Oreo McFlurry and a vanilla cone? Good morning. My name's Hunter. I'm a residential service tech with Waldrop. I've been over here about 4 years. It'll be August. So this job we're going to today, this first one, we've got a customer that's been with us for a couple years now. She's just wanting her annual cooling maintenance done. We're gonna go ahead and get that taken care of. Go ahead and check her AC out before the heat of summer hits, because before we know it, it'll be hot. The first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and clean the outdoor unit. We want to make sure that everything is free of any debris, any dust or anything. Get those outdoor coils clean before we hook up some gauges and check the pressures on that way. We get the highest efficiency read. So let's go ahead and get this door taken off. So we see right here we got a lot of spider webs and stuff like that. We've already killed the power. We're gonna go ahead and clean that out for them here in just a little bit. While we got the power turned off, we're gonna go ahead and check this capacitor. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hook some gauges up on this unit right here and go ahead and check our pressures, our saturated pressures, our temperature, and go ahead and check our superheat and subcooling. What that is that's a formula, that scientific formula that tells us on the certain degree of a temperature of a day what this unit should be running at, as far as what kind of pressures we want to see, and that'll let us know how spot on the refrigerant charge is and whether it be a little undercharged or a little overcharged. So we're gonna go and hook these gauges up and go ahead and stick our clamps on here for our temperatures, make sure we get a good reading. All right, so I just got finished up writing up this customer finding sheet, so we're gonna head in the house and see what they want to do so we can take care of them for them today. So what we're doing right now is we're just getting some paperwork together from Mr. Mabry's house, where we got this repair taken care of. Next thing we're about to do is we're about to call in the dispatch, go ahead and find out where our next call is, so we can start heading that way and see what the day holds. So we just got a call from dispatch saying we've got a customer that just had her ducts cleaned and she's noticing a little bit of dust throughout the home. So kind of the complaint is, hey, I'm sweeping my home and 2 hours later we've got a dust on the floor, dust on the furniture. So we're gonna head over here and just check out and see if we can't figure out, maybe she's got a duct broke loose, or when cleaning the duct system there can be a lot of factors in that. So we're just gonna kind of pinpoint and nail it down and find out exactly when this happened and what's causing the problem. See if we can't get that taken care of for today, and we'll see you here shortly. Hey, Miss Graham.
Yes.
Hey, I'm Hunter with Waldrop. Just
Hey,
gonna let you know I was
I'm
here
Graham.
today.
Okay.
Before we start, just kind of wanted you to let you see my face. I'm gonna go ahead and put some shoe covers on before we step in.
Okay.
Another safety precaution we were doing, we were actually wearing a mask, and I'm gonna put some gloves on the whole time I'm here.
Yeah.
Now, each time that I do come in, I will be changing everything out. Okay.
Okay, good.
So we'll have new gloves, new shoe covers, and all. Anything that I touch stays on the gloves. The gloves go in the trash. We put a new one on before we touch anything else. Okay.
Good. Thank you
So
so
just
much.
kind of let you know about that. Let's see if we can get them on. All right. Do you mind if I step inside today?
No,
Is that okay?
No. Come on in.
All right. All right, so we're gonna go through and we're gonna look at it. All this duct. Well, that's something you don't see every day, a belt holding up the duct system. That's a good one. Yeah, you'll see bugs, insects, I don't do the snakes. Negative. Yeah, I had a customer ask me one time, she said, the last tech that was out here seen a snake. How will I know if you see one? I said, well, ma'am, there's a simple answer to that. We'll probably be redoing your plumbing and duct because I'm going to tear it up getting out. Yeah, she's got some flex. Looks like a lot of it's breaking loose on the seal where it's been sealed. Speaking of snakes, there's a snake under here somewhere. Look at that snake skin. Cole, you backing up? Cole, you filming? Well, I'm gonna go and get it out of here. See if we can't pull it out. Well, that's a black snake. Looks like about a 2-footer. It's a black 2-foot snake. Part of the job. It's okay, we only seen the snake skin. Let's see. So we got a duck run here. What we done, I didn't see anything broke or anything loose. I've gone ahead and went through this entire duct system here. Like I said, going back to the complaint, customer says complaints a lot of dust and stuff throughout the home. I'm gonna talk to her about a air filtration system, look at getting a phenomenal air. Also looking at installing a new whole home filter to kind of better filtrate the air, and we'll just kind of go from there. We're gonna give her those options and just see where she wants to go. Okay, so now we are headed to our third call of the day. It's about 1:15, looks like 1:16. We got a customer, she's been a maintenance plan customer, good customer. I've got a pretty good relationship with her. I've been going out here about 3 years. It's been going on the 4th year I've been servicing her stuff. Just go out here and do her annual checkup, check the cooling out before it gets hot. So we got a temperature today about 73, it says right here in the truck. So a pretty good day to get the AC running and check everything, make sure everything looks normal before we get this hot weather, because before we know it's going to be 100 degrees over here in Greer, South Carolina. So as right now we just set the thermostat down for cooling. We're going to go ahead and go into the basement and check out the air handler. Go ahead and get a temperature split, check the airflow. Go ahead and check like the static on the system, make sure all that's good. We'll go ahead and blow out the drain line. That's the #1 key, and we'll amp out the blower motor, make sure everything is running good before we head out to the outdoor unit. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and check out the inside unit part of it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some temperature probes in the supply plenum and in the return plenum. So that way we can get a reading on what it's going across as far as cooling. So that'll take a little bit to go, so we're going to go ahead and do that first. While we're waiting on that, one of the key factors in these maintenance is to go ahead and get the drain line clear. So we're going to go ahead and flush this drain line. Blow nitrogen through it, make sure everything's clear. Yep, looks good. Pretty easy day today. We're running 4 calls today, 4 good calls. Everybody's cooling, everybody's got everything that they need. So I'd say it's a pretty good day for a Friday. Thank y'all for riding along with us today, and thank you for choosing Waldrop. Bye.